Hi, I'm going to show you how to remove the CapCut watermark and export videos without it with proof. So watch this full video to learn how to make CapCut completely free for yourself. This is a secret that most people don't know. First, you will need to enable hidden folders in your files, then just follow the steps I show here. Stick on the video and do it for you. Even if you save the export with watermarks, once you export and open the video, you will notice the watermarks are completely gone. Actually, we have to export it. It will show export with watermarks. You have to export it and go on.